Okay, this is video blog 1 from Formentera Island in the Mediterranean. Got a ICS Cersei Cup here on today. Trying something a little bit different with the blog. Rather than just smashing out some words, I'm going to do a little video just to save some time and give a little bit of a different aspect to it. Yeah, we arrived here after 2 days of quite hectic travelling. Yeah, 16-hour car drive and ferry and more driving. So 2 days of massive travelling on Wednesday and Thursday. Got here Thursday afternoon and I've had some time on Friday and Saturday to get some training in. Got 2 really good paddles. One of them on the race course itself, and yeah, so race day is upon us. Sunday afternoon, all the guys are getting their skis off the trailers and getting ready to race. The race course is going to be a lap course out to that next headland and back twice, probably about 20 kilometers in total. Really looking forward to racing. Yeah, this is the last race of the European Tour, so really keen to get this one under the belt and fly back home tomorrow to some home cooked food and some mates and a bit of family time as well. So yeah, very amped to race and keen to get out on